All right, Graham, I got another question for you here, and I know you're going to dive into this one pretty good, but somebody's asking about the correct dates Blvd was installed in Canada because there's so much misleading information online. Can you elaborate on that?
Oh my God, this one stresses me out quite a bit. There's so much false information online, and I feel like part of, Quarry's company's job is to go around and try to flag all this false information and start trying to correct it. But, you see everything from 1975 to 2002, and it's like, holy, polybutylene wasn't even incepted. It wasn't even real in the 70s. The correct dates for polybutylene are 1985 to 1997. Yes, you will get some homes in 1998 that are designated as a 1998 home that have polybutylene in them. But that's not necessarily because they were built in 98. A lot of them were built in 97 or started being built and were finished in 2000 or 1998. So that's why they're designated as a 1998 home. There is other exceptions, and there is that we will find and we can go into. But your correct dates for install in Canada are 1985 to 1997. And I wish everyone would just get this. It's not that hard. Just listen to my videos, listen to the words I'm telling you, stop listening to these random things online, and just thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.